check it, y'all. Wreck it, y'all. These lifestyles, they can crack your back and make you fall. They clap, we boom and drop this, so they get hard to pop this. They came to.
G'day and welcome to the Oakley ASL 2009-2010 Big WAVE Awards. Start of the night, there's a lot going on. We've got over 300 people in attendance tonight. It's going to be big.
Came to rule my soul. Sessions of rock and roll. Howdy y'all, gather round. It's me, D-Ball in town. Somebody hurry up and get this round. Yo, done had about 25 beers in the last 24. And it shit getting known, so give me about 25 more. Yeah, the beers ain't cold. Going to another hole down the road.
You know, the guys are just pushing the limits.
What these guys are doing is pretty amazing.
The judging was really close this year. There was a lot of slabs to be had, a few big waves, and I'm looking forward to the outcome.
Watching these surfers do what they do on big waves is just unbelievable.
Bigger and better than every other year that we've had.
I'm really honored to be here. Thank God for Oakley.
They can strap you and clap you and make you feel like a damn machine, like a dirt ball that can never get clean. This is the way we living. This is the road I'm rolling. Now tell me who be holding seriously. Now who be holding? Check it, y'all. Wreck it, y'all. These lifestyles, they can crack your back and make you fall. They clap, we boom and drop this, so they get hard to pop this.
There's a great turnout tonight, and looking forward to a big one.
Oh, it's great. We're drinking.
I can see it like clear as day. It's the most amazing wave I've probably ridden in my life. So, I'd give anything to ride it again.
Yeah, it's great. There's been a lot of contests through the years and stuff, but now they're finally recognising the big wave surfing.
When the thoughts on my mind, what do I do? Relax, chill out for a drink or two. They form the mic and one the two. Then back on now to my Jerome. I can only put it down when I'm in the zone. Upon this mic.
Big waves equals big checks, big novelty checks with big amounts of money on it. $35,000 to give away in prizes.
Make the award of biggest paddling prize tonight to New Zealand's Doug Young.
It is my key to the good time, with a good woman in a good mind, good bud and a little bit of downtime. I need this life. You need it more than me. They need it more than we. Come on, y'all, keep living it up and let your demons free.
The biggest slab winner for this year is Mark Matthews. Biggest wave category in the Oakley Surfing Life Big Wave Awards this year is Laurie Towner.
Congratulations, bro.
Yeah, cheers, gigs. No, it's sick, bro. I'm stoked. I'm beaming, in fact. Look at that board I won, mate. It's insane.
To be able to make these boards and have them for these guys that riding these waves, it's an absolute honour.
I'm so stoked. I'm stoked that Oakley, rewards us for riding waves like that because, they never have in the past, and it's a good change, a welcome change.
Okay, Laurie Towner takes it home. Laurie, you've got to be stoked, bro. I don't think you saw that coming.
I didn't really know because there's some other really big waves there, and I can't believe it. Actually, this is ridiculous. I'm so happy right now.
Be a winner, not a problem, and better run quit. I quit. I'm better be ever than a healthy rough number 4 fit. I'm shit. You want to keep it going, but you don't.